YouTube? It's your boy AJ, and we back with another video, no cap. So look, in today's video, we finna be making a charger louder, no cap. We finna do that thing. So we finna do the first thing you should do to any car that you get for the first time. You know, like people say it ain't a mod. But to the people who do it, you can't tell me there ain't no mind, bro, because you modifying the car. So we finna go ahead, get my rubber cane saw. We finna go get my welder, we finna go get my jack, and we finna go ahead and head to the other shop real quick. So we go ahead and try to straight pipe this, you know what I'm saying? Because yeah, you know what I'm saying? Usually I just got my hair done, so it's probably about what? It was about 3 o'clock, so it's kind of late. So we finna try to go ahead and knock this out real quick, because guess what? We got some things to do, man. I don't know if this video gonna come out before any other videos, but this probably gonna be the first back up to date video since I done got back into Little Rock, Arkansas, compared to the other, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we finna go ahead, go in the shop, get everything that we need, and by the time we get done, we should be at the other shop to turn back up. No cap, we gonna show you how we do this. And hopefully, people been saying my car loud, gonna be louder, but we finna see what it's gonna do. So y'all stay tapped in. We finna get this done, no cap. Alright, y'all, so as y'all see, that was the before. I ain't gonna lie, this thing sound a little better. I might not even want to do that for real, but I still got to, bro. It's something inside me saying, do it, bro, do it. I don't know what it is, but as y'all saw, we got a little burnt rubber, you know what I'm saying? I mean, this diff a little iffy, bro, so I'm still probably gonna get another one, but as y'all see, that ain't what we here for, though. That thing sounding good, though. Yeah, man. I'm finna turn the camera around, give y'all a little pull real quick so y'all get another little before. And then that's gonna be it. Let me get that next line. Turn the camera around. See what it sound like. Pipe it, you know, y'all gonna feel like you get a little bit faster, but you never know. All right, y'all, we done made it back to the crib. We finna go ahead, jack the car up, and we finna go. I mean, that's really all we gotta do is jack the car up. We got the saw in the back. We gonna take everything out. The welder right there. We finna take everything out, cut everything up. I'm gonna show y'all little pieces I got, and then we just gonna weld it up and we finna see if we can make this car louder. Y'all just heard what it sound like. And me personally, it sound pretty scat package. You feel me? Or header-ish, like. But I ain't gonna put too much dip on my chip, no cap. So I'm finna go ahead, jack the car up, and then that's what y'all gonna see when I start doing this, no cap. Y'all done seen it 1,000 times, but this is the first time y'all gonna see me do it, and it's gonna be the first time that I do it, no cap. All right, y'all, so this is the first piece that we could.
Nice.
That we cut off the car, and we just finna see how long it is compared to this. And I mean, it's looking pretty close. I gotta cut this little curve out of right there. right there. And then it look like it should fit, so that's what we're gonna do first. Get this cut straight up, and then we're gonna cut the other one off. Alright, y'all, so we got the first last pack up out of here. Got the first one up out of here. See, it was pretty much straight through. It wasn't even really stopping nothing, but we got that one off. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up for y'all real quick. So y'all in here with just one side sound light. See if it make a difference. See, that's what this one sound like. And then that's what it sound like from right here. So I don't know, it don't really sound too bad, but I'm finna go ahead and let me see some. We got one somewhat in. I probably gotta go over it a little bit more, but if you listen to this one, it's a tad bit different, but I ain't gonna lie. The idle ain't too much different, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish welding this up, and then I'm gonna get with y'all with the finished process, with the finished product when I'm finished. Bro, this pissing me off, bro. Let me go show y'all some light. Bro, my welder just fucked up midway through it, bro. So I really drove. I'm gonna show y'all what happened, and then maybe I'll show y'all how I can fix it, or maybe y'all will know, y'all can tell me. But I'm finna go ahead and show y'all what's going on, and then I guess I'm gonna put everything up and try again either tomorrow or one of my next off days. So, bro, how did this even happen? Like, my little spool thing that came up out there, all my wiring shot out. The cord broke. The screw I get that went through the bottom of that still in there somewhere. So
Only thing I'm thinking I can probably do now is hopefully I can take this side off, this side piece off, and maybe I can dig the screw out and screw that back on and make sure it's tight. But right now, I'm stuck, man. I didn't pretty much show. I'm gonna show y'all. I pretty much welded everything. So I got that welded up right there. That's welded up right there. I got this part welded up, but then this the part that where the welder that messed up at. So, like I said, what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm just gonna try to fix this tomorrow. I'm gonna put everything up, and then probably in the next video I have everything done. But I'm gonna go ahead and put everything together and give y'all a first start up in the sound test. No count.